Rhymbil is now online. Hey guys and girls, this is the final video in our series of basics of JavaScript. Today we're going to be making a clicky game. Okay, so the point of this game is to click as many times as you can in 10 seconds. So right now I'm just going ahead and setting everything up and kind of showing you what the CSS should look like. By the way, I did not include CSS, so let me know what you did for CSS. So as you know, with every banger Rhymbil video, we always start off with HTML and body tags. Let's go! So the first thing we're going to do here is to set up our header. So our header is going to be like our title of our game, which is going to be click to win. Here you can see me change from a paragraph tag to a header tag using h1. I'm going to duplicate that HTML tag and I'm going to use it to create a time tag. But this is going to be a paragraph tag. And yes, this is going to be used to show our time. And now we're going to go ahead and create our button. This is going to be used to play our game. And in our button, we're going to create a paragraph tag, which is going to display our, well, clicks, because why not? And last but not least, we're going to create a result. This is going to be like a pop-up, which displays our score. And don't forget to smash that save button. You know what I mean? Smash that save, because you don't want to lose your files. All right, let's open it up. Here I'm just going to add an onClick function, which is going to call the function count, because you count whenever you click. And just to make life easy, what we're going to do, alright, and this is going to be our framework for pretty much the whole tutorial. Awesome. Let's go ahead and add some functionality by making a button clickable. This is going to be our count value for the whole game. And in our function, we're going to increment our count value by 1. And up top, what we're going to do is we're going to reference our count text, which is in our button, and we're going to reference that so we can actually change the inner HTML and make that value equal to our count value. And now you see when we click our button, it should work. Alrighty, once that's done, now we can work on our time. Our time is pretty much the most important factor in our game, so let's do it. We're going to use a set interval function, which I explained in our previous tutorial, so go check that one out. Alrighty, let's get into it. Alright, so once we got our time incrementing, what we're going to do here is to put a limit on it. So like I said earlier, is to see how many times you can click in 10 seconds. So we're going to put a limit on this and say if our time value is less than 10, then you can keep running this code, else stop running this code. Awesome. And yes, I know I put an equal sign. I'll fix it later. And remember, everything I do for the time is following the same principle as what I did for our count. The time isn't working. What's the problem? Let's use Ctrl-Shift-I to inspect element. Oh, it seems like I messed up the code somewhere. Alright, let's see. Alrighty, now we can fix it. Awesome, that's great, it works. Okay, we have a playable game right now, so how do we implement results and scores? Well, follow me. Okay, so we got our results to work, but the problem is when the time runs out, we can still click. So I think what we need to do is to disable the button after the time runs out. Before then, let's just fix a couple of things and then we'll disable the button. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys followed along just nicely. And you know, that's the game. That's pretty much the end of our whole series and all. It's been great making this game. As I said, we didn't have any CSS because that would make the video super long. But if you do have CSS, send me an email, show me what it looks like. Hopefully you guys send me something. It'll be awesome to see. And yeah, I've been away for quite a while because I've been working on a dropshipping store, you know, making those million a day stuff. But that's why I haven't uploaded in a while. And I don't know, because tomorrow I'm going back to prison, you know, getting locked up for another 8 months, then we get let out again. So you know, we'll see how this channel goes, we'll see how the videos go. But thank you guys for the support. 139 subscribers. But yeah, hopefully next weekend we can shoot out another video. Next weekend I'm thinking of actually showing you guys how to write script on a Gmail. But you know, we'll look at that later. And until next time, Rhymbil out.